Promise. Hi! So, parang ang tagal ko nag-vlog, hindi ko alam paano ko sisimulan. But, I wanna say na nung mga nakaraang araw, I felt the ugliest. Yan nga, mag-unbox tayo, guys. Also, don't mind my nails, please. My favorite nails, guys, ito na lang yung natitira and the rest, tinanggal ko na. Maybe that's also why pakita ko sa sarili ko kasi sobrang pangit ang nails ko. Anyway, mag-unbox tayo ng dalawang packages for today. Actually, itong isa, dahil excited ako, pinangunahan ko na. And guys, oh my god, nung nakita ko to sa vestiaire, mahilig ako bumili ng mga second-hand luxury designer items sa vestiaire. And, nakikita nyo ba, guys? Are you seeing what I'm seeing? It's an orange box. And no, it's not Louis Vuitton. But it is... It's hermes, y'all! And you guys know, ang obsession ko, ang bisyo ko ay mangolekta ng sapatos. I have a kind of a growing collection of shoes. And gusto ko kumpletuhin yung rainbow.
Roy Jabib.
Meron na akong red, orange. May orange na ba akong sapatos? Basta gusto ko kumpletuhin yung rainbow. Roy Jabib. So, red, orange, yellow, green, blue. Pero yung V, yung violet, yung purple, guys, of all colors, yun yung wala pa ako. Kasi wala talaga akong mahanap na parang gustong-gusto ko na designer until I saw this one on Vestiaire or Vestiaire. So I'm gonna stop yapping and give you guys like the unboxing I did. Oh my god. So, ayun na nga, ito na siya, guys. I'm so happy and kinikilig ako kasi super ganda niya. Well, for me, I really, really love it. I don't really have fresh pedicure ngayon. In fact, this is what I look like right now. I'm wearing double socks. Because lately, I'm enjoying just the compression I have on my feet. But anyway, I don't have fresh pedicure, so I can't really show you guys my feet. I feel so shy showing you guys my feet, so... just enjoy this one in all its glory. It's so pretty. I love it. By the way, this one's called Hermes Oran sandals in shearling. Yun yung material niya. And I really got this because I find it unique. Nakakita na ako ng ganito dati pa. Yung mga flat na sandals na may age na ganyan kasi yun yung... Ano ba tawag dun? Yun yung signature nung sandals na to. Pero... I never saw this kind of design kasi last year, 2023 lang to. And that's why this year, 2024, pa lang siya lumabas or lumalabas sa second-hand market. And I'm so glad na ayun nga, nakita ko to. And of course, I love it kasi yung material niya, I find it unique. It's shearling and it looks so puffy. And of course, the color and the style, because you guys know me, I like interesting shoes. Like, okay, it's nice to have basic classic shoes. I do have those, but I just find it so interesting to have and style these kind of sandals or shoes that have such character to them. So, yeah. Next, as an adult purchase. Well, this is also an adult purchase, you know. I guess living alone purchase. Well, this is also living alone purchase. This is my new air fryer. It's from ourplace, and I waited months and months for this kasi pre-order siya. Meet your new wonder oven. Ourplace, baka naman. Welcome to ourplace. We saved USC. Yay! Okay, manual. Let's keep the manual. Oh my god! Aray! Ay! Look at the color! It's giving beige mom. Okay, kailangan ko ibaba. Tan-tan-tan! Guys, so for the longest time, bago ako umuwi ng Pilipinas, 6 months-ish ago, gustong-gusto ko na talaga palitan yung air fryer ko. Kasi sabi ko, aanihin ko naman yung air fryer. Wala naman ako dito sa apartment ko kasi nga uwi ako ng Pilipinas. So sabi ko, sige, wait ko na lang. Tapos sa pagbalik ko dito, merong pre-order tong air fryer na to. Ganun siya ka-in demand. So naghintay pa ako ng pre-order. Tapos ngayon lang siya na-ship. I'm happy nandito na siya. Ayun nga, I've been looking for a stainless air fryer. Kasi yung air fryer ko ngayon, ano siya guys, yung parang Teflon yung loob niya, tapos Teflon yung mga plates, racks, basket ko sa loob. But this one, it's all stainless steel. I'm very happy and it's so small. So perfect for my kitchen kasi you guys know I have a tiny kitchen lang. Oh my gosh, it's really nice. Okay. And of course, it comes with the racks. We have this. O, diba nakita nyo lahat ng kalat ko? We also have this. This one, I believe it's ceramic and it doesn't have like the toxic coating chemical. But I'm just gonna use this kapag kailangan ko talaga ng non-stick. Pero for the most part, I'm just gonna use these stainless steel. Yay! I'm so excited to use my air fryer, y'all. It's so pretty. Feeling ko ang taas ng energy ko today dahil dito. This is the first time again I had this. If you're looking for a good, organic, healthy energy drink, try this one. I bought this on Amazon, but you can get this sa Whole Foods or sa grocery stores. I just got this on Amazon kasi that time I needed to buy online in bulk in this specific flavor. Sparkling blackberry mint, and this one's 15 calories. Sometimes wala kasi ito sa store, so I just resorted to Amazon. Meron pa palang ganito guys, nakalimutan ko. So bali we have 4 racks. You can bake, broil, roast, and air fry toast, of course, but bake specifically. So do you guys want some baking content? Goodbye to my old air fryer. Tagal-tagal din kaming nagsama. Guys, ilang taon na ba ako dito sa apartment ko? 3 years na ako dito sa apartment ko and ganun ko na din katagal tong ginagamit. And hindi ko lang to basta-basta, you know, itatapon dahil meron na akong bagong air fryer. Matagal na talaga to sa akin guys and matagal na siyang sira. Tingnan nyo, tinape ko na lang electrical tape yung harap kasi natatanggal na talaga siya yung dito. But yeah, super sulit to sa akin. And sa mga naghahanap ng ganitong klase ng air fryer, I really recommend this brand to, yung Iconite. So, yay! It's so pretty! Oh my god! Oh my gosh! Ay guys, kakulay niya yung pot ko, oh. Sa ourplace din to. Same sila ng colorway. This colorway is called Steam. Honestly, the next thing na I want to do here sa kitchen ko is find a way to remove this. I just feel like it's a huge chunk here. But at the same time, it's very functional to keep it here kasi dito ako hihiwa-hiwa, you know? Or, I'm just bummed out to see that, pero it's not really that bad. By the way, if you can see this, this is a bug and cockroach repellent. And so far, it's been really working. This is all natural, no toxic shit. So, I can keep it in my kitchen. I also keep one here sa mga drawers ko sa bathroom and by my bed. Although, wala namang ipis sa bed ko or anything. I just wanna keep this there para repellent. I had my nails done and I also had my toes done because we are going on a trip to LA. Pupunta tayo sa Venice Beach, California, and I'm gonna be with Bea and Danica. Now I have to wait for Raj to pick me up because I have to go to him. Because of course I need to leave Rio and also I need to get my car towed to the repair shop. So it's finally happening, guys. Papagawa ko na yung sasakyan ko. Nasaktuhan na this week sila available gawin yung sasakyan ko and dumating na din kasi yung engine. Yung new engine na we ordered for my car. Pero it's okay kahit wala ako kasi wala man akong gagawin. I just need to tow my car to the repair shop and then bahala na sila. And sakto pag uwi ko din naman, hindi pa rin tapos yung sasakyan ko. Nasa car repair shop pa lang din. And I think it's gonna take weeks pa bago nila matapos yung sasakyan ko. So, yeah. I'll just keep you guys updated. But for now, we need to tow my car to the repair shop. Guys, I think I'm gonna do a thing. I'm gonna cut my hair shorter because I feel like this length is just so awkward and it's hard for me to style this length. Maiksi naman na din yung buhok ko. Why not itodo ko na and summer naman? I'm thinking to just put extensions on this hair. And kung gagawin ko, it's like babalik lang din ako dun sa, you know, hairstyle that I've been doing for the past year or so. So, itodo ko ng gupitin na natin ng super ikse. And he's here to cut my hair. Babe, are we really playing that song in the background?
Alexa, stop.
Hey, how? I'm here at their house, by the way. And I brought here Rio because I'm going on a vacation. So this is where Rio's gonna stay for a couple days. I spent so much dito sa buhok ko na to kasi nung una, di ba, na-botched siya. I mean, I don't know if you guys are on my Instagram or TikTok, but my hair got botched. And I spent so much just to get it to this point. Huy! Babe, nag-start ka na. Bakit? Tinan mo ako, hindi ako naka-uneven. Babe, manood ka muna kaya. Hindi ka nanood ng kahit ano.
I already watched.
Here, look. That's like my same hair length.
Damn. You think I know sectioning?
Look! But like, he has a guide. Hindi yung konti-konting guide. Hindi yung ikaw na ganyan ka na lang, girl.
Bro, dinadaan-daan yung sa kanya.
Oh my God, babe.
Chill, bro. I know what I'm doing. Trust me. You got trust issues?
Yeah. Because my hair got fucked up.
Not with me, bro. Best barber in town.
Oh my God!
Why? Why?
This is so short.
Right. This is the right length, right? You're just gonna make sure it's pantay. Then I'm gonna texture yung dulo. Pagka-texturize ko yan, parang ninipis pa yung dulo niya.
Ayoko manipis yung dulo.
Okay.
Gusto ko yung ganyan.
Straight na diretso. Okay. Mas mahaba dyan. Diba? I can see. Ganyan, pagbantay lahat.
Guys, this is what my hair looks like now. This is blow dried. Now this is like more fun to style. Yay!
It's giving luxury vibe.
Love it! It's time to unwrap Mizzy after months. I booked AAA and they're gonna send me update in 15 minutes, but they should be here shortly. Hi, I'm JEORELLA. I'm the one with Miata.
Oh, yeah. I can get you over here. Balance due is 8,000 and 8,000.
I'm so scared to fuck you up again. And now I have to drive you by myself. Guys, first time driving this car again. Okay, so I'm following Russell in front of me. And then dito kami sa high school kasi he's gonna pick up his brothers first. And then we're gonna head home. But, you know, I'm here because I'm following him. Gotta head home. I'm gonna film a bit and I need to focus, but I want to show you guys a clip real quick lang of me driving this car. Guys, pawis na yung kilikili ko, promise. Natatakot kasi ako mag-drive. Pag na-anxious ako, as in, nagpapawis talaga ako ng sobra-sobra. Kahit hindi mainit, as in, pawis talaga. Embarrass me, motherfucker. Fuck. This car is so fucking expensive. But I hate to let it go, so I had to save it. We had to save it. Okay, that's it for our driving session. I need to focus now. Guys, I made it safe. Let's try to convert my car